Hi, this is Ms. Priester, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the screen capture tool and the webcam tool in WeVideo. The first thing you're going to do is click on the second tab labeled My Media. And then you're going to click the record button. And this will give you three options. Recording from your webcam, which means it can record you sitting in front of your laptop. Recording your screen, which means it will record everything on your screen, or you can do both at the same time. Click on webcam to begin recording yourself. If you have an external microphone, you may need to change the mic setting and make sure your laptop is set to the right position, and then click Start Recording. When you're finished recording, click Stop. You can then review your recording and decide if you want to record again or save the recording. Remember, most mistakes can be fixed in editing, so you may not have to record the entire thing again. Then the recording will be processed and added to your media, which you can then drag to a video track. To record the screen, click on Screen and Next. Choose the microphone or no audio if you won't be speaking during the recording. Then decide if you want to record your entire screen, just the application window, or a Chrome tab. I recommend recording the entire screen in case you need to record multiple items on your screen. Then click Share. I like to hide this button at the bottom so it doesn't appear in my recordings. When I am finished recording, I will look for the second Chrome window and hit Stop Recording. Once again, you can review your recording and decide if you want to record again or save the recording. Last, you can record using both the webcam and the screen at the same time. Decide if you need to change the mic setting and then click Next. Decide your screen options and click Share, and follow the same procedures as you did with the other two recording features. However, this time you have two recordings that will be processed separate from each other. You can add them both to separate tracks and edit as needed. Since these recordings are separate, you can shrink the web camera recording to fit in the corner of the overall video. So when you are showing your screen, you can still have your webcam be viewable. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below.